Miami has now become a major metropolis, a major financial center, and this Brickell area is like a part of Manhattan where you live in a building and you just walk down and you have everything you need. Brickell Flatiron is the latest addition to the area. It's a 65-story residential building with a ground street retail.
It's going to be quite a place in downtown Miami at 650 feet up in the air and be able to enjoy what is a 360-degree view. The inspiration was to try to get the building to move and look like the wind was stroking the facade of the building, and the balconies at every floor have an intertwining curvilinear effect that we believe is going to create a very interesting character and identity for the building.
This idea to stay in a space that is not edged, that is not angular. You have to design every element, especially for this space.
You're getting a triangular shape that doesn't feel like a triangle really because of the way that we've laid out the apartments and the living and dining areas. But you get a spectacular view of the south and the parks on the water, Coconut Grove and Biscayne Bay.
I think that residents of Flatiron will experience a building where nothing has been left to chance. Luis Revuelta, which is the architect that designed the outside of the building, we worked for endless hours together to create a very good-looking building. And with Massimo Usaghini, we came up with a unique, very modern, very pleasant, very inviting design for all the interior spaces.
Going inside, we have a big important reception that is in the style of all the building, with this idea of smooth, of cocooning. We use the curved lines. Going up, we have a floor with amenities, and we have bars, we have spaces with a billiard. We have a space for kids area. We have a space that is a cinema that is so comfortable. And also we have liquor, cigar room, a place a little English in the style where you can relax.
What I consider one of the most unique features of this building is the decision to dedicate the whole last floor of the building to a swimming pool, a spa, and a gym for the benefit of all the residents. Instead of creating a big penthouse, I decided to let the whole building share that experience. It's going to have a fantastic view. There's going to be nothing taller around it, and we'll have an absolute 360-degree view of the whole city. I've been concentrating the past 30 years to build properties that were more targeted toward part-time residents or people that would come to Miami on vacation. And now this building is targeting permanent residents, people that work and live here, and they live in this environment where within walking distance they have everything that they need.
We've put a tremendous amount of thought and effort in trying to make that experience unique for a buyer, so there's no question in my mind that this will be the best project developed by Colombo in this area.